Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Ghidra 11.3.2, that is the latest version on Kali Linux 2025. But the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Okay, so first verify whether we have Ghidra. Type Ghidra. See, you don't have Ghidra application. So first open any web browser. Then go to Ghidra official website, that is ghidra-sre.org. Hit enter. See here, Ghidra is a software reverse engineering suite of tools developed by NSA Research Directories in support of cybersecurity mission. Okay, so click on download from GitHub. Then see here, the latest release is 11.3.2. And if you want older versions, scroll down, see here 11.3.1, 11.3, 11.2, and so on. Okay, so go up. So in this video, we are going to download and install latest one. And if you want to see what's new in this new version, in this version, you have to click on this one. Then you can see. And see here the assets. Click on this Ghidra 11.3.2 zip file to download. Click on it. See, download started and its size is 426 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. Okay, I am pausing this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed and it is zip file. Okay, so scroll down, then click on installation guide. Now click on minimum requirements. See here, in hardware, we must have 4 GB RAM and 1 GB storage space. Okay, so then software requirements, we must have Java 21 64-bit runtime development kit and Python version 3.9 to 3.13. So open terminal and verify. Verify the version of the Python 3. Hit enter. See, we have the Python version 3.13. Okay, then Ctrl G to exit from Python. Then verify the version of the Java version. See, we have OpenJDK 21, but this won't support. Okay, so click on this Adaptium Template. Then select the operating system. Wait a moment, it is loading. Then select the operating system, Linux, then architecture, x64-bit, then package type JDK, then select the version 21 LTS. Okay, so once we selected, then see here, it populated the JDK and it is tar zip file. So click on it. See, wait a moment, download. See, download started and its size is 197 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, go back. Again go back. Then come to installing Ghidra. See, download is completed. Go to terminal again. CD. Then go to downloads directory. ls. Ctrl A. ls. See here we have both Ghidra software and JDK tar file. Okay, so extract both the files. Unzip. Then give Ghidra, give the tab to autofill entire zip file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. Also untar this file. tar-xvf. Ctrl L. xvf. Then open. Give the tab. Hit enter. Ctrl A, ls. See here, we have extracted both Ghidra and JDK. So this zip file and this gun zip file are not required. So remove them. Underscore, give it. Also remove this open JDK file. Copy. Okay. Open. Use the tab. Hit enter. ls. So we have removed both the files. Now go to this Ghidra directory cd Ghidra ls. Now we have to run this Ghidra file dot / Ghidra run. Hit enter. Now we have to enter the path of JDK home directory. So we have to give this directory name or hit enter. Now it will open the dialog. Then go to downloads, hit enter. Then click on downloads, then click on JDK, then click on open. Wait a moment, Ghidra will be open. Then click, see, this is the Ghidra user agreement. Go through it and click on I agree. Wait a moment, it is loading. See, close this one. See, this is the help file. Okay, let me close this one. Let me maximize this Ghidra application. If you want to verify the version of the Ghidra, go to help, then click on about Ghidra. See here, the version of the Ghidra is 11.3.2 and Java version is 21.0.7. Okay, so if you want, click on OK or close this one, and see here we have the options like in file, project, new project, open project, delete project, restore project, configure, install extensions and exit Ghidra. If you want to configure, click on here, and see here we have the utility Ghidra core, developer and experimental. If you want to select this one, select this. Okay, it is up to you. I am not going to select anything. See, if you select, see here it populated. Okay, I am not going to, I am going with the defaults at this moment. Click on close, and if you want extensions, click on install extensions. See, if you want to install any one of them, you have to select. Okay, I don't want any one of them. If you want any one of these, you can select them. Click on OK and edit. If you go to edit, see here we have the tool options, plugin path, set PKI certificate and themes. If you want to change the themes, you can select switch or configure. Okay, projects, workspace, I don't have anything. Tools, help. Okay, contents. Want to see the contents? See, this is the help document. Again we got the same one. Okay, so if you close this one, let me close this Ghidra application. Again, if you run this, next time onwards it won't ask this JDK directory. Hit enter. See, it is not asking the JDK home directory. It just opened the Ghidra application. Close this one. If I don't want to show this, click on unselect it and click on close. So in this video we have seen how to install or set up Ghidra 11.3.2 on Kali Linux 2025. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.